How to set up Surfshark VPN on different platforms. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to set up Surfshark VPN on different platforms like Windows, Mac, iOS or Android device. So setting up Surfshark VPN on various platforms is straightforward and typically involves downloading the Surfshark VPN app from the respective app store or website and following the on-screen instructions and creating your account. So in my case I'm using a Windows, so for that case you have to open up a browser on the web address bar, type in surfsharkvpn.com. I'm gonna leave the link on my description box below as well. When you open up the official website, it's gonna take you to this sort of interface. Here you can go ahead and tap on Get Surfshark located right on top. So if you already have an account, then you can go ahead and select login, enter in your credential. And however, if you don't have an account, then first thing go ahead and select the premium plan, and when you do that, click on Get One. On the other field, it's gonna ask you to provide in your personal details such as your email address and all that, or else you can also select the different way of creating your account. So you can go with email address or your Google account or Apple ID, whatever is convenient for you. Select that according and manually enter in the details and provide in your card details in order to get the premium subscription. So when you are done providing that, it's going to provide you with the notification stating that you've successfully created your Surfshark account. So that's how you can set up Surfshark VPN on different platforms. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.